People surfing online see hundreds of banner ads every day, but most of the ads they see don't apply to them. So how can you get your business in front of the right consumers at the right time? We enable you to target prospects who have shown interest in your business as they surf the web. Reach retargeting is a form of display advertising that combines two advanced targeting technologies: search retargeting and site retargeting. Search retargeting puts your ad in front of prospects who have searched online for information about your types of products or services. Site retargeting keeps putting your ad in front of prospects who have visited your website, so your business stays top of mind while they're considering a purchase. Now, let's take a look at search retargeting. Bob's daughter needs braces, so he searches for types of braces on a search engine. Based on his search terms, we pinpoint Bob as a strong prospect of an orthodontic business, Big Grins. Over the next few weeks, Bob continues to surf the web. Our technology knows that Bob is in the market for braces and serves him the Big Grins banner ad at the exact time he's looking to buy. Search retargeting is a great way to drive new prospects to your website, along with many other types of advertising. And by combining it with site retargeting, we put your business back in front of all those interested consumers. The beauty of site retargeting is that it works no matter how prospects visit your site. Whether they got there from search, display, print, billboards, television, or radio, you can keep your business top of mind with all your site visitors. Sally is one such visitor to the Big Grins website. After seeing their online advertising, she visited their website but left without contacting them. A few days later, Sally is browsing some news and entertainment sites online. Our technology remembers Sally's visit to the Big Grins website and shows her their banner ad. Sally recognizes Big Grins and is still in the market for an orthodontist. So she clicks their banner ad and returns to their site. Now that we've seen how reach retargeting works, here's how it helps you. We put search retargeting and site retargeting to work for your business, so you reach more prospects who are actively considering your types of products and services. Plus, you get more visits to your website as we optimize your spend across both technologies. And because those interested prospects are more likely to convert, you get better return from your advertising investment. Call us today to learn more about reach retargeting.